the FedEx just stopped by, dropped off about half their truck. Yeah, well, let's figure out what we got here. I mean, that's probably okay. Maybe. This is today's haul. All interior pieces, rear bumper support, trim, one of the air pieces, front bumper, trunk liner. Gonna start working on getting all this installed. Day 2 of shipments for all the parts for the fix in the Tesla. Well, hopefully we've got some good stuff today. Just about ready to put on the panel adhesive. Got that panel all beat up back. A lot of time with the sledgehammer. This all lined up now with a lot of holes pre-drilled for the rivets. And so we just gotta put this panel adhesive on. An hour and a half or so we're working time and get this clamped and riveted in place. I just got all that panel adhesive put on. Smoothed out. Start going through and reclamping this so I can get those rivets put on. So I got all my rivets set in place right here, all clamped in. We just got done seam sealing. I'm gonna let this cure up. And did this entire area where I riveted and kind of helped glue those little flappy things back in place. Started to make some progress here on the Tesla. I got my hatch installed. Unfortunately, they shipped it really poorly packaged, loose on a pallet, and this whole corner got smashed. It got pushed in like a 1/4 inch. And then the glass got shattered up here as well. So that's just awesome. And then it cracked all the way across. It's missing the trim. This is pretty much all done. I need to vacuum it out. Nice and dirty. Me climbing in and out of here. So now I just need to get the hatch trim installed, and apparently I also need to replace this glass because it's broken all the way across. I'm not sure how well it's gonna last. Oh yeah, and then they broke these mounts up here too. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Good job. Just got to a Tesla charger. I'm gonna see if I can supercharge it. Alright, it's doing stuff. Looks like supercharging works. At least for now. Ooh, maybe half hour left. $3.75. From about 80 to 90%. Well, I checked the app the other day and it said I had no warranty, so I was just going to try the supercharger here. And it is, yeah, it's not gonna supercharge anymore. Oh well, darn it.